The good old Campground billboard. Got a new register by phone. We'll have to do just that. Here we go. Checking in at the Reedsburg Dam State Forest Campground. $20 per night. Will and I are just launching here into the great big swamp known as the Dead Stream flooding, the headwaters of the Muskegon River. I'm gonna head out, cast the line a couple times. We're gonna paddle upstream and then float back to the dock there just to see what we can see and try to discover what's out here. Maybe we'll find something new. Quick rest stop here at the end of what looks like Michelson Road. There's a put-in at the end of this dirt road here into the Dead Stream flooding. It's been a beautiful float so far. We're starting to get back into the weeds as it's getting later in the evening. The water is still, slight breeze. Everything's working out. It's a really lovely evening. Great float. We're gonna keep heading upstream here a bit. We got some time left in this wonderful day. See how far we can make it into yeah. How are you enjoying it so far, Will?
It's gorgeous.
It really is.
Gorgeous.
Living up to expectations so far. I was hoping this would be a cool swamp, and it certainly is. Love a good wetlands. What an absolutely incredible night to come out here and do this. Will and I came out the night before. Actually, we're prepping for a big trip, but we just wanted to come up to the area, check out the dead stream flooding for the first time. Neither of us have ever been out here, and we're glad we did. It's been a beautiful, beautiful wetland, and on a nice, beautiful night. What a perfect float. Right now we're gonna head back to the Reedsburg Dam State Forest Campground, build ourselves a little fire, and make some dinner, get some sleep, and get ready for a big day of paddling tomorrow. That's a beaver. Big beaver. Well, Will and I were just blessed with one of the best river experiences you could have, really. Sighting of a huge beaver cruising down the river, and tried to get a video of it. Didn't really do a good job. But of course, as soon as I stopped recording, we had a huge tail slap on the surface of the water. The beaver was trying to warn us off. It's not every night that you get tail slapped by a beaver. That was a special experience, I think. It's not my first time, but It's pretty cool. That might have been the biggest beaver I've ever seen, at least here in Michigan, without a doubt. That was cool.
Yeah, that sun is low. Oh no.
What a stunning evening we've had out here paddling back to the camp. This will not soon be forgotten. We are just floating on the sky, as you can see, cutting through glass. Everybody's gone at this point. The wildlife has come out. Sun's just below the trees. We may have overstayed our welcome a little bit. But we're gonna rush back. It was totally worth it. This is so gorgeous. This is like a painting. I didn't know if this was going to be like a teeny little creek. Sometimes you just can't tell. We are back to the sea of lily pads as far as the eye can see. Well, a little bit after sundown. Not ideal, but we made it. At least we were going back the way we came, so we knew what we were getting into. If you want to look on the bright side. But we're back, safe and sound. What a float. Let's go light the campfire.